Now, for the first time in 2 months here, state health officials announcing a daily COVID-19 number under 1,000. They tell us 796 more Utahns testing positive for this virus, but officials say there was less testing due to the holiday. 2 more Utahns have lost their lives to COVID-related complications. 474 people are currently hospitalized, and 166 of them are in the ICU. Our referral center ICU beds are nearly 83% full.
As of today, nearly 17,000 Utahns have been vaccinated. News specialist Tanya Dean found out today that number is expected to go up as another round of vaccinations begins tomorrow. She joins us live now to tell us who will be getting it next. Good evening, Tanya.
Yeah, hi, Dan. Tomorrow begins a new wave of the vaccine here in Utah, and many of the people who will be getting it are of the highest risk: healthcare workers outside of hospitals and residents of long-term care facilities. For months and months, long-term care facilities have been hit hard by COVID-19. The Utah Department of Health reports more than 4,000 residents of long-term care facilities have tested positive since the beginning of the pandemic, and 417 have died. But as early as tomorrow, the vaccine arrives at their doors.
We anticipate this will be a big week with vaccination now that we're getting out into the long-term care facilities, getting out into the non-hospital healthcare worker workforce.
For the past couple of weeks, hospital workers have been receiving the vaccine, 17,000 of them. Now, it rolls out to all healthcare workers and residents of long-term care facilities.
We have received or will receive by tomorrow about 27,000 doses that are earmarked just for long-term care facilities.
It's good news on top of more good news, potentially. Today, health officials announced fewer than 1,000 new cases of COVID-19. It's a big change from the high numbers we had in late November. But health officials caution it's still too soon to let down our guard.
I don't know that we're necessarily ready to take a victory lap at this point, just based on the fact that so many testing sites were closed and people may have been putting off testing over the weekend with the holiday. So it'll be really interesting to see come Wednesday, Thursday of this week what our numbers look like.
Experts say we could actually see a surge in cases over the next few days. However, it didn't happen over Thanksgiving, and they hope it won't happen now. Health officials also say they're grateful for a light at the end of the tunnel.
I do feel like brighter days are definitely ahead in the form of the vaccine, and we just need to make sure that people continue to take the precautions that are important until we get there.
After healthcare workers and people at long-term care facilities get the vaccine, it will go to teachers and first responders. As of right now, that's expected to happen in late January. Back to you.
I like that phrase, brighter days ahead. That'll be good. Thanks a lot, Tanya Dean.